Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome. It's Friday. We're gonna have some fun today. Welcome YouTube, welcome Legacy. Um, just so everyone that's on the YouTube stream knows, you're going to hear other voices other than my own. Those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society. And with that being said, we're going to make some money today. Good morning, sir. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Morning. Let's make some money today.
Yes, sir. We going to.
Oh, yeah, man. Fun, man. I'm excited. That process wasn't hard. Wasn't bad neither, man.
Yeah.
So each time, let's say if I want to open another one, I'll just do I have to add more? Add it again, right?
Yeah, you just go in on your portal for funding ticks and you buy the challenge in there.
Okay, got you. Damn, so normally I see they charge like 70, but shit, we got that discount.
We'll take it. We'll take it.
Oh yeah.
And that's gonna be the power of three. So simply put, it's
you ever heard of this dude called Jade Cap?
I've heard the name, but I've never looked at his stuff.
Yeah, he got the biggest payout.
Yeah.
He got the biggest payout on Apex.
Okay.
Oh, like almost a mil for like 14 mil.
That's crazy.
I know. I was like, what?
That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm looking them up. I was like, damn.
Yeah, I'm thinking about activating my other two funded accounts with Apex over the weekend here. Yeah. Start trading those fresh on Monday.
I'm gonna have to try Apex. How much is for the Apex?
You could normally get it for about $33, but then they have the activation fee of $85 or like $140 for the lifetime.
But you wouldn't do the lifetime though.
No, because you're probably gonna. The way I've been going with Apex, I normally get 1 or 2 payouts for the month, and then I'll blow the account. So, so the lifetime doesn't really do anything for me at this current state.
All right, now the plan is just trade, carefully, and then I got that one funding account. I'm gonna pretty much try to.
Yeah, baby that one, baby it.
Yes, I will. I probably won't. If I see something good, then
Yep, and that's how you do it. You just make sure that the movement's what you want, and then you trade on it.
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. All right. Yeah, man. 50. I kind of like it. Funding ticks is kind of like, man. All right. All right.
Well, market's not even open, but look at that candle right there.
Right. 5 more minutes.
Yo, this stuff prepped and ready.
So safely starting out, you got to do what, 1 contract or 2?
That's up to you, man.
That's up to you.
I recommend the lower the better.
Okay.
Especially just to get your first payout. You know what I'm saying? Like,
right.
You don't want to risk too much on that account right away.
Right.
So I would say, say you put in like $500, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then maybe once you're at 500, you up it to 2 contracts. And you scale it that way.
Got you. Okay.
Good morning, Steve. Welcome,
Morning.
sir.
Morning, Stick.
Morning, G.
All right.
G got a funding ticks account this morning.
Yeah, he was just like wanted to give us a little suspense before by like waiting an extra day. Cheers to you, but now let's do it for real.
The code does work. Drop the price down $50 all in.
Oh
So.
yeah. I put that legacy in. All caps. All caps.
All caps.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what we're looking like.
Ooh, right now it's at 770.
Is the audio and music good for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, like the Captain and Tennille jam. Love's gonna keep us.
Yeah, change up slightly, just slightly. Give us a little funk this morning. I'm waiting for 9:30 so I can start doing busy work to stay out the markets.
Yeah, I see you already, Doodle. Since to take your mind off a little bit before the market opens, what's everybody doing for the weekend? I know G's coming back home, right?
I'm gonna be watching football this weekend. Excited about that. Gonna enjoy this TV up here. Watch some football.
Yeah. See, for you, for me, I just see it as like a vault of money, but for you, you see it as a functional room. Interesting.
Well, the one thing I do like about my office, how I have it set up now, where when people would come over, they'd be downstairs watching the TV in the main living room, and I would always like not watch TV because other people are watching. You know what I'm saying? I'm not going to come and be like, give me the remote. It's my house. I'm not that guy. So now at least when family comes over to stay with us, everything like that, I have a place to go now. And I can still watch my games.
Well, you know, in my background, like when I edited the show, even before I met you and then coming from Hollywood, like I never got much into TV at all.
Yeah.
But I mean, so it's like, you know, but through streaming, I'll watch stuff, but I got you. Like, we have like one TV in the house, but it's like, even the kids don't really watch it too much. We're usually cranking music and talking about legacy wealth. Like, I put another chat in a discussion that's got tumbleweeds on it. There's like 3 of them in a row, sucker.
I haven't been getting any notifications. That's weird.
I see how it go.
I'm gonna have to see my settings for that, actually.
You are the host with the most. And we covered our pool last weekend, so now it's probably gonna be like the perfect swimming weather. I just know it. Like when you winterize it, and then it's just like, wait. Oh, here we go.
Market's open.
I see we're above the VWAP, we're above the EMA.
Yeah, we're above everything right now. Up here at the 760. Well, I'm not going to say the price because it's moving, so I'll wait.
You're one of those guys that's doing the auction. Yeah, the 760, 78.
Let's see. Feeling good today. Let me look at these charts now. Being patient, not trading my trade 5 funded accounts till 9:45. I will take a quick little scalp or something on my Apex if I see something good, but not trading my other fundeds until 9:45.
I'm still pretty impressed with the tightness of the open, but it's because it's so close to the top. You know what I mean? It just.
Look at that. Look at that. I'm just playing around on my sim. I just made like $2,000.
Well, I know that's more than one contract. I'll say that.
Yep.
That's 200 contracts and moved a quarter tick.
I've been around the block long enough to know that's more than one contract.
Oh, damn. No, I did that big drop. Woo.
We got those wicks on those candles.
Yeah, look at that 2 minute.
Yep.
I'm wondering if you're gonna like bust a freestyle over this.
No, not going to happen.
Well, not gonna happen.
We like.
Do you want to go down more? Oh, keep going. Keep going.
Well, you're listening to G. What's up?
Oh, damn. I was in one contract on that one, though. I took it off before. Ooh, that would have been a good. Well, I'm at 21 right now on the sim. But this is just practice. That's all.
Waiting to see if there's another opportunity to take a quick scalp here. Patiently waiting. Bulls are stepping in right there. I don't trust the bull movement right now.
Yeah, it looks like it's pretty finicky.
We're back above that 21 EMA as well. So we're going to be patient here. All right, 480 right there on that quick little scalp. So I'll rotate off of this account because this account's done for the day. Put 480 in there. We're good. We're good. We don't need to trade more on that. Let's rotate.
Rotation.
Let's see. I don't know that number. Let me see. I gotta check my account for funding ticks because I had to trade it literally just today. I believe. I gotta double check to make sure that's the 3 days on it.
Playing with that.
Or 397
on the 5 minute, below it on the 2.
All right, there we go. So I need on this account $1,000 in it, and this account would be pass.
On that, on the funding tick?
Yep. So you had to trade it for 3 days to pass the eval.
Okay.
And then they'll put you into the funded.
Okay.
That'll be interesting to make that transition. Like if there's a hold on it, like Apex, or if they're just gonna like roll it quick.
We'll see. I've been told that the funding ticks platform, they update their system a lot during the day. So say you pass everything, or you're in your funded account, you pass it, you get to whatever amount you were trying to get to for your funded account, since they don't have a consistency rule. Like later in the same afternoon, you can request your payout.
Wow. Okay.
Where like with Tradeify, you're normally requesting your payout around 5:30, 6 o'clock, around that time. So
Well,
funding ticks is supposed to be a little bit quicker.
Well, that's that way they can hold the money longer and earn interest on it.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, I worked in healthcare for a while, like in a support role. It's like it's funny how not funny how those things work.
Yeah.
You ever like if we took a deep dive on COVID funding and the real all that stuff? Oh my goodness.
I can only imagine. Such a scam.
Oh, it
Yeah,
was.
y'all
Because
see the pics on those candles, man?
as soon as there was a standalone budget for it, there was departments setting up to exploit it. I'm serious, man. I saw it firsthand.
Still a real tight range here for this morning so far.
Mm-hmm.
Only pretty much like just a little bit over like a 45-point range for this morning. So not a big range that we're currently in.
Oh, you're going to the range this weekend. Solid.
Look at those wicks on those candles. There's been no clear winner yet for today so far. So
no, there's only one clear winner, and that's the group Legacy Wealth.
That is right. Always winning.
Always winning. Always grinning. Because you make a isolated, short that doesn't go, then you rebound with the system, and you're right back to where you started in the green.
Let's get that follow through.
Let's see some follow through to that VWAP.
I'm not liking this movement. I'm probably going to get ready to close this one.
I jumped in and jumped out when it hit like 230 because it started consolidating, but I'm looking to see if it's going to do a head run to the VWAP. But I know that I'm breaking your rule by because it's 15 minutes in somewhere like that.
I closed out of that one. Only grabbed $60 on that, but not liking that movement. Potential push up here to build out maybe a bear flag, but I'm not trying to be sitting in drawdown. So
no drawdown.
Try to limit how far I go in a drawdown because when I was getting chopped up last week, everything like that, I was holding way too long.
Yeah, well, it was because the market was just kind of doing that weird thing. Like you'd expect it to rebound, and it's kind of like chop, chop, chop. Or it'd be like it'd have the momentum and it'd go right into a chop and it wouldn't come out. It was like,
yeah.
Come on.
We tapped that 21 EMA right there. Try above that 21. Glad I did not try holding.
Well, you could have held it, but it wouldn't have worked out well.
Exactly.
That's weird.
Let's see if we build out a bull flag.
Looks like it.
All right, 360 now on this funding ticks account. Need less than $700 now to get this one passed. Look at that pullback right there.
Yeah. Damn.
Let's see if we come down and tap that 21 EMA. If we lose that 21 EMA, then we may be heading back downtown. But
it was like that selling pressure just came up and just wiped the top of that wick right off, man. That was insane.
Yep.
We're gonna hit that high.
Bears are trying to step in here.
Yeah, look at it. It's like the same thing as that last week. It got up and it was just like, shoot.
Went right back down.
Yep.
Yeah.
If the Bulls can't hold the price up, Bears are trying to take it lower.
And what's the drawdown on the funding tickets?
I believe it's like 2,000.
Yeah, you said that before. It's 2,000 rather than 2,100. So that's kind of really a non-issue. I mean, that last little bit. Come on, let's go victory to victory. Come on.
No news today. No news today.
Yeah, I think the news on Monday. I mean, it was definitely next week.
Yeah. All right, look at that wick. Look at that candle. Let's see. I want to see us build out a bear flag now. With a drop like that, I want to see a bear flag. Give us a little push up and then take us down. We'll take the waterfall all the way.
Niagara Falls, baby. Let's do it.
Drop. You know you want to drop.
Well, just waiting for this candle on the 2-minute to finish. We got just over a minute left on it. Want to see what color the next candle on the 5-minute is as well.
The Bulls are fighting.
Well, they're always fighting. This is a tug of war every single day.
All right, rock and roll.
34 seconds left on the 2-minute candle. Right at that 21 EMA.
That's tight.
Super tight, super tight.
15-minute average, man.
Are you gonna?
It's definitely springy. Need lines on my 1 minute. Oh no.
Oh.
I pushed a number 2 instead of F2, and it made like this weird menu and squashed my candles, but it's back. I was like, what in the world did that
Oh, you
do?
got out that trade, huh, Duane?
Yeah, the Bulls pushed it up right there. Yeah, I was not trying to hold it longer just in case it kept trying to ride up.
Like
So now the anarchy is over. Let's see some flags.
Keep going up.
We just got tons of wicks right now on these candles.
That's what's kind of spooking me is the movement, and then it'll just spring back. Like
Yeah, I should have closed out because I was up like 100 and something bucks, but I wanted to ride it a little bit more. I should have closed, but yeah, we'll see what we get.
Now we're gonna calm down and get some sanity. Let's see. I'm going back to my 2 minutes.
Looks like it wants to go up.
Come on, B mommy needs a new pair of shoes, man. I gotta get my wife a new pair of shoes. Let's go.
Because Nasdaq is taking its time to go nowhere.
We're currently above the middle of the 15-minute range, above the VWAP, above the 21 EMA. So we're definitely looking for the first move to be a buying opportunity here.
Oh.
Whoa! Alrighty.
Did you say buying opportunity? I think it hurt you.
I don't like moves like that. I really hate moves like that because nothing came out. There is no news. For the market to do that type of move, that's very scary. And we hit that 8 whole number as well.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't.
When Riot shot right up, man. Right up past the whole number and then said, all right. What was our all-time high, our latest all-time high?
I would have to go back and look, but we're making all-time highs like every day right now.
Yeah. We're close. I thought it was just we're in that general area a little bit more though.
Let me rotate to one of my Tradify accounts now since it's after the first 15. Let's see, 593. I'm looking at the wrong area. I'm like, where's my account? There we go. Well, we're already getting ready to hit this first target. Already hit it, was the 806 level. Through what just happened? Like, this thing is just shooting right now.
Shooting up, man. They're like about to touch that next one at the 811.
We just need to see a flag so we can kind of get some cohesion. And the candle's so tight.
$220 on that one. We'll take that. Rotating to the next funded. Next one, 6, 10.
Man, come on, bitch.
Let's build out a bull flag.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's see if we get some good momentum up here. I just want to know why the market just pushed the way it did, to be real.
Yeah, totally. I mean, I looked at like all my news sources and there's nothing big. I mean, it was the same stuff that it's been talked about, but no direct.
Yeah.
No direct news of the financial.
All right, 280 on that funded. Rotating to the next one. Base hits, that's all I'm trying to get. Nothing crazy. Buyers stepped in right there on that wig.
Oh yeah, yes sir. It's funny because my doodle it's kind of gone up and down, but it's still just hitting that doodle. It's like, it's hilarious how that works.
Yeah. Waiting for this momentum here.
See that wick?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
I see it. I see it.
So that means what is on is gonna go up?
That wick means the buyers bought the price back up.
Okay.
So sellers pushed the price down and the buyers bought that back up.
Okay.
That's why there's no body to that candle.
Okay.
Where's our next pivot? Okay, we got a pivot point all the way up there at 854.
I think that's past all-time high. It was like up in that area, I believe.
Let me see. All right, so the all-time high that I'm seeing currently, we've already hit it today.
Oh wow.
817.
Oh wow, I didn't realize it. Okay.
Let me go to the daily real quick.
I thought it was a skosh higher, but
Yeah, so the 817 is the all-time high currently.
wow.
Look at that dump right there. I wasn't even watching. Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
Because the market repeats itself. That's what the guy that I follow said.
Steve, you couldn't have said it any better, sir. Couldn't have said it any better.
Because you can't FOMO on that. We're not even 30 minutes in, man. There'll be other opportunities.
100%. We got that high of that 15-minute range, 783. Looks like we're pushing right back down towards it. I want to take a quick little scalp, but we're going to wait. Let's wait for a bull flag or bear flag. Whatever flag wants to print. I'm good with any of them.
I just want to see a flag at this point because like the 2-minute is just kind of it's.
Quick 140 right there. Took a scalp. I saw the heaviness for those red bars. I saw the heaviness, so I took a scalp.
You saw the heaviness and you saw the top of the 15-minute range. It was like all right there. So.
Yeah, and that's why I jumped out very quickly because I didn't want to touch that high of that 15-minute range and then just rocket shit right back up. So playing it safe. Playing it safe. Let me rotate to my take profit account. Getting back to the basics, just once I add a profit, doesn't matter how big, how small, just rotate, just lock that profit in. That's what helped me stay consistent with getting my payouts. Was I was never being greedy. I would just lock in the profits. That's it each day.
Yeah.
They're just battling right now.
Yeah.
But it's sitting right at that top of the 15-minute range. It's kind of like.
Come on, Betsy.
Come on.
Off this account. Go back to my Sim. I forgot this is on.
Let's see. Are we going to start bouncing here?
Yes, they are. Keep going up. You want to tell.
Not a real big or strong bounce right there with how the bears just stepped in, pushed that price right back down there. Just waiting to see. This weekend I'm putting together some ads for the legacy community because I was watching a podcast last night from these guys I really like listening to, Christian guys. And they were talking about paid ads and how they were trying to do everything organic. And once they switched over to paid ads, it just blew everything up tremendously.
Because, well, you know, I mean, the algos are totally going to favor that. I've done in the past, in the dark age, I did some different internet stuff. But
yeah. Well, I did ads for my pressure washing company. I was really good at it. Where that was literally providing a service. So it's one of those things where with that one, how do I put it? I was able to run ads on Facebook for my pressure washing company. And I made really good money off of it.
Yeah.
Where if I was able to make good money off of running ads for that, I know for the legacy we'll be able to make so much more. Only because legacy has so much more value than pressure washing.
I don't know, man. I've seen some dirty sidewalks in my time. Can we talk?
I like this funk today. I don't know why. Nice little switch up from that jazz.
Yeah, I see it's different. I see you got a different playlist.
Because you want G to be a fully alert as he's trading.
Well, I kind of been feeling like, how do I put it? I've been honestly feeling like the playlist is good that we've been playing, but I feel like we've been playing it since like July. So I'm like, you know what? Maybe it's time for me to switch up just a little bit.
Well, you can just keep endlessly remixing these playlists. So, because I'd advocate, can I say, for G's song to come in some point.
I got you. I'll play just that one section. We got the bear flag. I put it on the charts. I'm getting ready to most likely take it. I just want to see the follow through here. Don't want the Bears or the Bulls buying it up right here. But I put the lines on the chart. I see this bear flag printing. Just want to.
Looking at the 2 minute.
Yep, we have it on the 2 minute as well.
Where are you looking?
Here's the poll. Here's the push up.
Oh, you're looking at a 5. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking at the 5 minute and a 2 minute, but I'm drawing on the 2 minute.
Yeah, well, even on the even on the 2 minute, we do have a bear flag forming. As long as the Bears don't let the Bulls push it too high. Patiently waiting here.
Anticipating.
Try to look at other things as well, just so I'm not looking directly at the market the entire time, so I don't FOMO into a trade feeling like I'm missing out here.
You're never missing out.
I know that, but my finger doesn't believe that sometimes.
I am going to send you the contact information of the guy that told me that the market always repeats itself.
That it does.
You should talk to him in your head.
Hey, you guys see a bear flag printed on that 2 minute?
Yes, sir. That's what I was just looking at, talking about. But I didn't want the Bulls pushing it too high.
Which they are, right?
They are, but the Bears could still save it. I just don't like flags that it pushes too high up out of the flag area.
Yeah, well, it's still in my doodle. I mean, it's touching. It's kind of getting critical, but it's still in the doodle.
Yeah.
But see, part of it is we're like right on that whole number in that neighborhood, so that's probably giving it some resistance, a drop.
Well, hopefully it bounces off that whole number and just lets us waterfall. But if we keep pushing up, we'll start looking for a bull flag. We don't discriminate.
I think that this is pretty fair, that this is discrimination free though. Like, we're not just looking for momentum one way or another.
Here come the Bears. Let's see if they get the follow through.
Testing it.
Let's get below that yellow line. I'll probably want to jump in. Only if we got the full momentum.
On a sale, right?
Yep. Because we got these big wicks on all these candles right now, showing selling pressure. Oh. Well, they just cleared that last wick. the bulls just cleared the wick of the previous candle on the 2 minute.
Mm-hmm.
So it makes me not as excited for a bear flag. But we're doing like this weird consolidation right now.
Yeah, look at that 5 minute candle.
Yep. We keep bouncing off that 806 level. Like we keep tapping it, but the bulls don't have enough to push it through.
Well, maybe this will just tire the bulls and it'll just go into the Niagara Falls.
Hey, we'll take it. We'll take it. Whatever works right now.
And I thank you for that. This is what I'm watching, so I'm not gonna like talk through it. But the deal is, man, to the fact that you're with your system, we can see both things going. So we're not just isolated, waiting on a move.
Yep.
The market can't lock us out of, you know what I mean? If there's momentum.
Yep. Bears stepping in right there once again. Let's see if they finally get that follow through. We break through that yellow line. I feel like we're going to be dropping. That's just me. I could be slightly biased. All right, we just broke through.
Then EMA in a second.
Yeah.
Got my finger on the trigger, ready to close if we don't have follow through here. That was a weird little glitch right there.
Testing the EMA, come on.
Yeah, I missed that one. I'll catch the next one.
Closed out, 480 on that one. We'll take that. I get nervous when we're tapping those EMAs, those VWAPs, those pivot points. I don't like staying in trades when we're tapping them because I'm always worried about a reversal.
Which always happens.
As it just reversed right there on my 2 minute, popped right back above that 21 EMA. Just waiting. I will re-enter if we have more follow through.
Yeah, we also have the 15-minute range, like right there too.
Yep. A lot going on in that small little area, and there's the bounce up right there.
Oh, man. Not good, not good.
Where's my handy dandy calculator?
Negative 800 on that account.
On which account?
The funding tick.
Okay. Whew. It's not your funded. You're good. It's not your funded account.
I didn't even touch that yet. Probably not. I'm just be on the sim and just practice a little bit.
Let me add this up real quick. I want to see where I'm at for the day.
Let's see where you're at for the day. Oh my goodness, he's getting
What
out the
about going to
calculator.
Bring that 800 down.
So on my Tradeify, put in so far 640 for today. Those are in my funded accounts. Nothing crazy. With my Apex, puts me over $1,000 for the day.
Damn.
In my funded accounts.
You want to go up today?
With my take profit, another. So $1,600 for the day. Not a bad trading day for a Friday.
Whoa. That's weird.
I may take like one more trade on this take profit if I see the momentum I'm looking for. It's 10:13. I could be done for the day.
Oh, you better stop and stick around for at least 4 more minutes. Come on.
Oh, I'm sticking around to at least probably 11.
Oh, your fans need you.
No fans. I got a fan back there, but that's about it.
Oh no, he's doing comedy. We don't want to scare YouTube just yet.
I see like a bull flag potentially forming right here, but that's only on the 1 minute. Just the way that was looking right there.
I want to go get coffee, but if I go get coffee, that'll be the move. So if I go get coffee and the market goes, then you got to jump on.
Right back down to that high of the 15-minute range right there. Tap that high of the 15-minute range. And tapping that 21 EMA as well. Just patiently waiting. Yep, time for the movement. We're waiting for it. We're waiting. We're already up $1,600 for the day. So no complaints on my side.
I'm trying to bring that account down.
Get on down.
Welcome to the stream for everyone on the YouTube stream. Welcome. Hope you're enjoying today's trading session so far.
Ooh, keep going down.
All right, so we're back in that 15-minute range now.
Don't diddle in the middle.
Well, we're above the middle. We're above the middle.
Look, I'm just practicing my lines, okay?
Let's see what we get here. I want to see if we retest. If we have the clear momentum, I'm going to take another short here. Let's see what we get. I want to see us build out maybe like a bear flag to give me like the warm and fuzzies, I would say.
Number fuzzy warms.
But look at that 5 minute as well. You can see the bear flag right there. So popping right back up. Let's see what we get. Got rejected there. Consolidating right in this little area right there on those Renko bars.
I'm looking on the 2 minute, and it just because it's it's just below the EMA, it's kind of like hanging there. It wants to drop, baby.
All right, just added some more right there. I could have held a little bit longer, but I didn't. Just locking in the profits. We're not rushing. We're just adding money. That's it.
Yeah, none of us here are actually Russian. I don't even think any of us are Ukrainian either.
And it's still dumping. Let me see if there's another opportunity for me to get in once again. Currently up now, $1,800 for the day. And it's only 10:17.
5 minutes.
I'm actually going to now wait to see what I always say. It always reprints the flag. So I'm going to wait for the next flag here. Yeah, I'm waiting for another bear flag to print. Yeah, I'll take it. $1,800, less than 45 minutes. We'll take that.
You got it.
Not too far away from that middle of the 15-minute range either. So let's see if we build out another flag here. Flags make me happy. Because as it sits, we would have had this flag right here. That flag. And it's still dumping. Just printed a real quick one right there.
Be heading to the VWAP.
Right back up. As always. Look like another bear though.
Yep.
So when will you know like to jump in? Like,
well, I'm currently in. I was trying to go off the momentum there.
when I get out, that's when.
All right, $1,200 on this account today. Oh, our music stopped playing. I'm like, man, it got real quiet right there. Let's see.
Because Duane is thinking so loud that nothing else could happen.
Yeah, I'm gonna just stay on the STEM account. Fuck it.
There's no rush, man. There's no rush. I know we rush it, but there's no rush.
Look, we're victors, man. You know what I mean? It's like he's a warrior. Consolidation time on my bars.
Yeah, I want to see if we. Man, I keep having to clear my throat. That's weird. Excuse me, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the elder speaking. He's 35 years old.
As it sits right now, want to see if we could get another flag. That's all I'm looking for.
Yeah, I mean, if we get a flag, and then because it's that VWAP is right there.
We almost tapped the VWAP. We did not tap, but we were close to it. We were probably a couple ticks off, like 3 ticks. So. Let's see. I need to go Apple, get my phone checked because it does not do well.
So if this thing is not doing well, and then the person will be like, okay.
No, like if I'm using my calculator, when I add or do anything on it lags so bad. But I can literally type the whole code out, put it down, and wait like 30 seconds, and that'll do everything.
Wow.
Yeah. So up for the day, 2340. So we'll take that.
I used to do text like this a couple years ago, man, and they put out updates that would just break stuff, man. It would just be awful.
Yeah.
Like it'd come out and it'd be such a buggy release. Ugh.
Go back up.
Just tap that 21 EMA right there.
These little bunch trades.
Let me actually go back to that funding ticks because I ended up losing on a trade. Let's see if I can clean it up here. I needed to make it $1,000 more or less than that. No, actually, I only needed $700. Then I lost $1,100. Crazy. But still up 2,300. So we'll take that for the day.
Right above that EMA, and then
we're above the high of the 15-minute range now. Let's see if we start to break out once again since we popped above. But let's see if we build out that momentum. Let's see a flag. Want to see a bull flag print so we could confirm with the momentum so we could take it. Just tap that 21 EMA once again. Let's see how we react off of it here. Doing some consolidation right here. No reason to jump in yet.
Yeah, this consolidation is giving me trepidation.
I see us. I honestly feel like we're going to start pushing up here. That's right. Take me higher. Take me higher. Thank you, Betsy. Let's go. I'll close right there. Just locking that $400 right there. Cleaning up this account.
I bought it. I was at 8. I brought it down to 5.
Good job, sir. Good job.
Looks like it wants to go up though.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a bull flag on the 2-minute here.
That's what I'm looking at.
Let's see if we consolidate or a slight pullback to take us higher. I'm all for it. There's the pullback. Big pullback. So, yeah, wasn't looking for that much of a pullback there. Look at that wick on that 5-minute. Oh, yeah. If we get below this 21 EMA, we're definitely going to keep going down.
Gotta break free of that sucker.
Ooh, that looks like a bear flag. Well, you still in that, Duane?
I am. I'm waiting to see if it breaks or not.
Okay. Well, it looks like it is.
So it has the potential of just letting loose.
That's why I'm still holding.
Uh-oh, looks like it. It looks like it. They're fighting. It's consolidating, though. You're right.
Yeah, what I've been doing is I've been drawing a yellow line across the wrinkle bars if I'm thinking of a trade, and then that way I'm conceiving it, but I'm not in the game.
Yeah.
So.
Consolidation at its finest.
Yeah.
Come on, you want to go up? Well,
close out.
Me too.
Not gonna hold that one.
He's playing on his phone.
No, send in a text real quick.
So you're gonna be grilling out, I hope, if you're having a game, watching games at your house.
Not grilling out. Honestly, just gonna be chilling. Just chilling.
Grilling is chilling. It's so fulfilling. Pressing on the EMA.
All right, 30 more minutes. I'll be getting off here. Another solid Friday. Feels good. Feels good to be back.
Yeah, I just gotta just understand like when to go in the trades, and then that's my only thing right now.
Okay.
I mean, that's all of us, baby homies. We're like, we got it, we see it, but it's having that thing. And then like I just jumped out of one, and then as soon as I jumped out, then you stayed in a little longer. I think you have a higher tolerance for loss, but then you made that money back and more.
Well,
looks like it wants to go up now.
Well, it can do whatever it wants to do.
It's going up, and it's on top of the 15-minute range too.
Yeah. Right now, I'm just a spectator now. I'm just watching and chilling. That's it.
Well, we were talking to you, and you just ignored it.
No, I was trying to see something there.
I know.
But the whole thing, G, right, about our strategy, right, is it's so easy for us to want to just click the button. It's so easy. Where for me, with the strategy, the way I would be doing it for you guys, don't take the first move. Wait for the second move. So say you spot the bear flag, right? You see the bear flag. Cool. You see the confirmation. You don't take the first one. You see it, you call it out. Huh? What was that?
How would you know not the first one, but the second one?
Well, when you see the first one, you see it, you call it out. Like, okay, I see a bull flag. You call it out. You wait for the confirmation. Then, if you're right with the confirmation and everything, you repeat that process for the next move. You know what I'm saying? So without you taking a trade, or if you have to click a button, you click the button on your sim account. Say, okay, I see a bear flag. You see the confirmation, you take the trade in the sim. Cool. Then on the next move, you do the same exact thing, but in your funded account. Because you've already proven to yourself that you have the eye for it.
You got the eye of the tiger.
Because the whole thing, what I'm looking for, let me get my mouth. Come on. There we go. What I'm looking for, when I see a flag print, everything like that, I just want to see the complete follow through of the correct color bar on the Rincos. That's all I'm looking for. And for me, when I see like if there's a pivot point below us, a 21 EMA, the VWAP, and I'm reading these bars, I'm like, okay, this is looking heavy. When it's not popping back up like that, that's, to me, it's heavy. So it's weighing itself down. But like right here where the buyers are stepping on this Rinco bar, I'm not saying that's heavy right now, because the buyers are still trying to push it up. So there's resistance there. I want the complete follow through, just like, let's see. Let's see if we actually get it right here for the heaviness. And I call it heaviness. I want to see lack of the push-ups. But right here, the bar is looking, well, not anymore, but it was looking heavy. I don't want these wicks on the bottom. So if I'm going for a short, looking at the wrinkles for the confirmation, I'm looking for the heaviness. So we had a bear flag print right there on the 2 minute and the 5 minute. Because right here for what is that trying to do? There we go. So that's a bear flag.
Mm-hmm.
Copy. That's a bear flag on the 2 minute. And all we're looking for is the confirmation with the wrinkles. Like you could tell right there on the screen that this is going in a downward direction.
Mm-hmm.
That's all my eyes are looking for. Like right here, we're consolidating. We're consolidating right here. This is all consolidation right here.
Yeah, that's why I have that one line is I put it there and it's just like it's consolidating on the line, so it's just kind of an extra thing that I'm doing. Hey, you know, did the micros ever update to 1225? Because like I looked into the micro thing and it's not an option, or does it update later?
No, it should be updated. Whenever you roll over, it should update.
Dude, I'm not seeing it. It's still 925.
Yes, it's in here. Right here, 1225.
Where is it?
So the drop down menu down to micros, then M&Q 1225.
Okay, well, I didn't see it. Just ignore me.
Look at that bear flag pay-in right there. It's so tempting. It's so tempting to trade some more of my funded accounts, but I'm done. Up $2,300 for the day. I'm done. No reason to trade. All the way down to that VWAP. We're literally a couple ticks away from the VWAP there. Currently at the middle of that 15-minute range.
I'm gonna have to reboot because mine doesn't have that, which is strange.
That it is. Look at that bear flag. That would have been paying so much right there. Let me see.
Now, if you jumped in?
No, I'm not going to jump in right now since the move already
Happened.
has been happening. Let's see. Yeah.
Looks like another one is forming, another bear. On that 2 minute. Correct?
On the 2 minute, right now, we want to see, let me...
More structure, right? More.
Yeah, I want to see more structure. As it sits right now, we're getting... That VWAP's calling. So we got to tap that VWAP. So right now, since we're all the way down here, I will wait to tap that VWAP to see if we're going to bounce off of it or keep falling here. Because if we keep falling, by all means, take the short. But I wouldn't take it until we get below that VWAP at this point.
So the VWAP, that's at what, 755, right?
VWAP is at, yep, 755. But if we build out a bear flag in this area to take us below the VWAP, that's still good. But just know with the bear flag, what does it have to do first? it has to push up in order to build that flag.
Well, yeah. Well, the VWAP's acting support right now.
So I would want to see it pushing up. I'd probably say in this area where that yellow line that's selected's at.
Mm-hmm.
And then from there to keep coming down. We're getting ready to tap that VWAP. Just patiently wait. Don't jump in until we tap that VWAP. There we go. Tap the VWAP. Let's see how the market reacts here now. So right above the VWAP once again.
Would you join right now? In it now?
I wouldn't. I would want to see some structure.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's still like rebounding.
Well, there we go. Just lost that VWAP pretty quickly there.
But then it's coming back.
It comes right back up. I'm about to touch it. It's like a magnet.
I personally would want to see a flag built. Because jumping in right now.
Yeah, it could go either direction.
Exactly. The move's already been happening. You know what I'm saying? So you didn't take it up here. Cool. We got to wait for the next move. So like I said, I want the bulls to push up to this yellow line to potentially build out another bear flag.
Otherwise, you're fighting the chop. Okay, come on.
Here we go. Load it. Oh, that's good.
All right, so the momentum's clearly just going down right now. And it's one of those things where I would scalp it if anything.
Mm-hmm.
I wouldn't be staying in trades very long right now, only because it has to push up to build out another flag because it always repeats itself. Yeah, I just don't want to get caught in that push up, trying to go short.
Wait for another flag.
Yeah, that's all we can do. The momentum's definitely heading down. So like I said, quick scalp, I would try to do, but we got the low of that 15-minute range calling our name right now.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm waiting for before I get too crazy, because they'll do another bounce. Duane is looking at anything other than the screen. I'm proud of you today.
No, I'm done. Like
usually you say you're done, and by now you're like, you got another count.
Yeah, I see the bears are trying to push it down.
We're at that 15-minute range.
Let's see. Still hasn't updated yet. So let's see if we build out a bear flag right here.
On the 2 minute? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
1 minute working on it too. Up to the VWAP.
There's that push up. Now let's see if we build out that flag.
It came down cleanly right to the VWAP and then above it.
I think I found my new playlist.
I've never seen you dance so much except for like last Wednesday at the disco.
Got that bear flag printing.
On the 2 minute or the 5?
On the 2 minute, the 5 minute, and the 1 minute.
We just need to see some follow through because it's up above the end close or the
Yep.
flow of the 15 minute, and it's hanging in the realm of the VWAP.
Yep. So for me, I want to see a push below that yellow line. For me, I want to take it.
Yeah, because come on.
So for me, I'm not even looking at touching that until we get closer to that yellow line. So that's what helps me sometimes is having that line on the chart. I do it mentally a lot. Like I'll tell myself if it doesn't get past this area, I'm not going to jump in.
No, you taught me that. I remember we were talking about it, and that's one thing that I do is like I'll doodle and then I'll use that as a reference and definitely.
Yep. And it keeps it where your mind is taken off of clicking the button, you know.
Because sometimes you're like looking so much and it's like
Don't cry, G. It's okay.
No, I'm yawning.
No, I know. I'm just messing with you.
It sounded like something horrible. I don't know.
No, I was yawning.
Damn.
Yeah, man.
And look, we did not go to that yellow line. We did not get in, and you see what it would have just saved us with a push up like that.
Yeah, bounce around in the EMA.
It may start getting a little bit more quick coming up to this 11 o'clock time frame. I'm gonna be getting off at 11. Solid day. I gotta get some stuff put together this weekend. Gotta shoot some videos. I'm gonna be promoting the Legacy Wealth Society like crazy because this is one of the best things anyone could ever do for themselves.
Yeah, we gotta do a little more. Okay.
Yeah, it's just bouncing on that EMA, man.
Yeah, we're above the VWAP tapping that 21 on the 2-minute chart. Seller's trying to step in slightly here.
I want to know why, like, my thing just has one MNQ in the micros list and it's 925. That is so strange.
Yeah, that's weird. But everything else is the 1225?
Yeah, I mean, just crazy. It's just one of those weird things. Like, hey, Duane, what's going on with my thing? It's like, let's see.
Hopefully, maybe next week will be a better week.
Nope, that it will be. That it will be.
Every week is a better week because we're together, man. I mean, we are like the three amigos. Okay, nobody say anything. That's fine.
We are the three amigos.
Okay, there. I was like, man, everybody left me hanging out there. No, I appreciate you guys a lot, man. You know what I mean? I want everybody's success. I appreciate everybody's like integrity in this and everybody's like faith. You know, like how they handle their business. Absolute respect.
I'm thankful for you guys, man, because you guys have kept me more dialed in, I would say. Request timed out. That's weird.
I mean, I'm gonna say this. I changed my lifestyle. Without going into too much detail, I'll tell you whenever you want, but I'm not gonna speak it over you. But I've changed like my whole like my morning routine, you know, my evening routine, to make sure that I'm dialed in and I'm absolutely at my best.
Yeah.
Time management and more. So I can give it my all. Like I'm not just showing up. I'm like trying to be the best version of myself showing up.
You're trying to live this. You know what I'm saying? Like this
no,
isn't
like,
a side hustle for you.
Oh yeah, and the thing
Oh
is,
yeah,
like,
man. I'm literally trying to do this. Like literally trying to make this like a full-time gig. Like, okay,
all right.
Here we go.
Like I said, those bears were stepping in.
There we go. Come on, keep going down.
Want to get past these wicks, past this candle for the short. Still flat until it breaks through that yellow line.
I took that quick 200 right there.
There you go. And what it is also, just so you guys know, when you gotta realize, so if a bull flag has to print, right, or a bear flag has to print, we know what it has to do to build out that flag. So that's why sometimes I'll take a scalp, only because it's like, okay, if it has to do it for a bear flag, it has to push up slightly. So I may scalp a couple points for that push up. You know, because it's making it where we, like I said, this is all just educated guessing. And it's one of those things where once we know what the market has to do for different patterns, everything like that, that's where we could anticipate when to jump in, because it's okay, it's building out a bear flag. It has to push up. Let me jump in real quick and get a couple points for a profit.
Yep.
Nothing quick or nothing long, just a quick little scalp.
No,
So with our,
I've learned that part pretty good, where it just like if it especially if the momentum isn't completely there, just get in and just kind of get in, get out. So but it's almost become a crutch for me. So that's why I'm trying to look for the keep my finger off, look for the longer duration.
No, I feel that.
And your alert, I just sent you what my screen looks like, with those things. So it's just weird, man. I don't understand it.
Let me pull it up here. 1 second.
He's just straight chilling.
So all of those, Yeah, that's weird.
Would that be something I need to reach out to Ninja Trader for? Or would that be through Tradeify?
No, that one would be on the actual Ninja. Because you have the MNQ9. Yeah, that's weird. Let me see something. How about you try doing, let me see if I can. Okay, yeah. So on your, at the top,
Yeah.
Click the selection, and instead of selecting it, just put the M in front of the NQ on your current chart where it says 1225.
Yeah, I see it. Let me see.
And then you can select it right there. Well, welcome to the YouTube stream for everyone that's still on. I'm getting off in a couple minutes here. Made over $2,300 in less than an hour a day, or a little bit over an hour, less than that. So I'm done trading. The community is still trading. They're making money. I hope you made money today as well. But this is what we do Monday through Friday, starting at 9:20 each and every day. Were you able to switch it that way, Steve?
Yes, sir. I didn't want to interrupt your thing, but that worked.
Awesome. There's that push up.
You're gonna break free and rock it.
I made a quick 220 on that.
There we go.
As you know, it's 11 o'clock.
Well, gentlemen, if you don't have any other questions, anything like that, I'm going to be tuning off here. It's 11 o'clock. I've enjoyed my day with you guys.
No, you know what? Yeah,
Same here, Duane.
Yeah, man.
I will definitely put stuff in the community this weekend. I am shooting a video that I will also put in the community as well, talking about discipline. Because I know I need to work on that. I know if I need to work on that, not speaking for you guys, I'm sure we all can work on our trading discipline a little bit more. You know what I'm saying?
I mean, literally though, because I've read some things and kind of, just not to learn because I'm learning from you, but just kind of learn the psyche, and that's really the thing that needs to come. The market's going to do what it does, is how we react.
Yep.
So I mean, you've got me through, like, when I was like frustrated and crashed out, I've learned like 8 lifetimes since then. You know what I mean? So now it's like, I still got a lot to go, but that's life. But I mean, it's just like I'm realizing that I gotta deal with what's between my ears is the next step, because it's like I'm seeing the charts and I'm reacting to the charts, but I just need to hone it in.
Yeah. Well, it's one day at a time with this. Like, you're not going to become the best trader in the world overnight. You know what I'm saying? The only way to do so is coming in each and every day, putting in an hour, putting in 2 hours on actually doing this to really learn it. You know what I'm saying? Because what you're not learning the markets, you're learning yourself.
Oh yeah. No, I mean, I hate to say it, but I learn more about myself when I hit on a red streak than I ever do hitting green. So that, you know what I mean? Because you can just gamble and hit that number, but the deal is like when things go south and I'm looking at the post-mortem, what did I do? Oh, I was revenge trading.
Yeah.
Or, you know, I didn't know when to walk away. So it's like, you know, using the tools that you got, like literally it's permeated in other parts of my life too. So I'm
Yeah.
not going to get too deep with it, but my outlook on a lot of things has bettered itself from doing this with you, because it's like a boot camp. I mean, if you're dealing with yourself at this level, you're gonna see seed time and harvest in other parts of your life.
No, 100%. And it's funny because for me, when I first like got back into trading and was putting together the strategy, that helped me in other areas of my life. You know what I'm saying? That's when I started carnivore, to be honest with you guys. Because like something just clicked and I'm like, no, this could really work if I just show up. So I've kept that same mentality the entire time for me. Changed my diet, changed my lifestyle, because I was never really a morning person where I get up on the computer first thing, everything like that. So changed that. And at the end of the day, this is the only thing that if you keep showing up, the results are finally going to pay off.
Oh yeah, no, I'm feeling it. You know what I mean? It's like, are my results always what I want? No, seldom if ever, but I'm getting consistent. And you know, even if I hit a red, it's not like I'm not.
Hey, G,
out.
That bear flag's getting ready to play out for you. Just so you know. Just tap that yellow line there. That's what I was waiting on. Let's see if we get the follow through on the Rincos.
Chart, man. Could you see? Could I see your chart on that where your red is? Oh, your yellow. Okay, yeah. Okay, we're on the same.
So just want to see follow through this line.
Yes, it is. Go down. Oh.
Didn't say that would happen, but I think I said.
Yes, you did.
This ain't rocket science.
You can't get up. That's it.
I got a special message. So I'm gonna take a picture of it so you can interpret it for me.
Okay.
It says you can't submit an exit order to a strategy until any of its entry orders has been filled. I'll send it to you.
Yeah.
I feel like you're like, well, are you making this stuff up?
No, I believe you, because you always get the craziness on your end.
I know, it's like I'm here to be the comic relief, right? No, but like I am trading ATM strategy. It didn't hit or anything like that, and it's my existing ATM strategy. That's the only thing I could think this might be talk about right here. I'm getting it right now.
I dropped the countdown to 270, so that's good.
And you know, like the trade executed, I see it, so I don't know what that's about.
No,
you may not have been filled.
I made a couple hundred off of it. Made a couple hundred off of it. I saw it. As soon as Duane said it, I looked. I was like, oh.
Yeah, but it's showing in my Ninja Trader, like in the P&L and all that.
It looks like another one, another bear. Well, we'll see.
That's weird. I'll research that one for you, Steve.
Yeah, thank you. I feel like I'm the guy that's gonna throw the random questions out.
But it's good only because other people are going to have these same issues.
The same issues,
so.
Thank you guys, but I don't have to have them all. You know, I'm gladly share some of this with the next guy.
Well, no, I was having issues with funding ticks, and through my having to go through the process of getting that figured out, I was able to help G with it this morning.
Yep, yes you did.
You know, where for him it was seamless because I already went through the trials and tribulations of trying to get it figured out.
The trials and the tribulations, the things that build.
But I'm done, gentlemen. It's been a pleasure. I will
All right,
see you
bro.
guys first thing on Monday. Stay active in the chat, in the community. I'll be posting the entire weekend in there.
Yeah,
So
I
let's
think we
get
should do
some.
something- I think we should put like everybody should take a picture of their workspaces. That would be a cool one. I mean, just kind of something to kind of show like what your view is, like what your
Okay.
pilot seat looks like.
I'll do a post in there saying everyone post their workstation.
I mean, I'm just that was something I was thinking of, but
Yeah, we can definitely do that. But all right, gentlemen, I'll see you guys on Monday.
All
hey,
right.
later, G.
All right. I'll be. Hey, listen.
Yeah.
I'll be back in Orlando for sure.
Okay.
All right. Hey, safe journey back, brother.
Oh yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Hmm?
All right, Dwayne.
All right, guys.
Dwayne is grooving. It's like he's got the vibe. Are you sure you want to close down all this souls?
I got to. I got other things I gotta do.
We got to have.
Steve does not want you to leave.
Steve does not want you to leave.
All right, gentlemen, have a good one.
All right.
Bye.
Right, bye.
For everyone still on the YouTube channel, I appreciate you tuning in today. I'll see you guys bright and early Monday morning, 9:20 a.m. Stay safe, stay active in the markets, learning, growing, and use this weekend to accelerate your growth in trading. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on Monday. Stay blessed.